Good morning. I am doing the baking soda test to see if I have low stomach acid. The baking soda test consists of water and baking soda and water, and you drink it and you test to see if you burp, to see if you have low stomach acid. This is just a at-home way to kind of see if you have low stomach acid. It's not a definitive diagnosis, but it gives you a better idea. And so you would do this if you suspect you have low stomach acid, and some symptoms around that could be some heartburn, it could be nausea, burping, after meals feeling a little bit more nauseous, feeling like you have a brick in your stomach. Those are some common symptoms of low stomach acid. So I have baking soda here, and then I have like 5 ounces of cold water there. I'm going to put a quarter of a teaspoon in there and mix it up. And then I'm going to drink this really quickly. If I burp under 3 minutes, it's sufficient stomach acid. If I don't burp after that, or don't burp before that, then it could be signs of low stomach acid. I feel like all the baking soda is on the bottom. Alright, I just started my timer. Let's see if I burp. It's been about 45 seconds. I feel like I want to burp, but I haven't. I think I'm about to burp. Coming up on 3 minutes and I still haven't burped. I guess I have low stomach acid. If you haven't burped within 3 minutes, this is a possible sign of low stomach acid, and so there are some things that you can do to help support stomach acid, like eating more bitter foods, taking better tinctures, and I'll go over some of these in another video. I had some suspicion that I might be experiencing low stomach acid. That's why I did this test, because I've been a little bit more bloated lately, I've been burping a little bit more, and I've been having some more heartburn. So I decided to do this test to see if that was the possible cause, and so now I'm going to help support my body in that. Thanks for joining along in this journey.